my friends, thanks for stopping by. Today I continue on with my beauty tool series. Now this one, many of you may not consider it a beauty tool, but if you're my age and you have my aging eyesight, you will consider this a beauty tool. And I've talked about these before in a YouTube video, but I'm going to talk about them again because I feel that these are an aging woman, or if you just have vision problems, or if you're tired of having bad magnifying mirrors, bad mirrors with bad lighting, these may be for you. And I am talking about the Glamcor Ricky mirrors. These are phenomenal. I'm actually recording my video with the mirror, and I'm just going to show it to you. And this one here is the Ricky Skinny. I'm not going to shine it right towards you because it'll be blinding. But this one here it's the perfect size. The lighting is great. It's Bluetooth. I mean, you can take a picture with this one. You can adjust your lighting. It has many different lighting, levels of lighting. I absolutely love it. You can connect it to your phone so that I can go ahead and attach this thing right to the center here and put my phone on it, and it would allow me to just press that button and take a selfie, you know, for Instagram or something with the perfect lighting. There's also a magnifier that you can put right into the center so that I have this perfect lighting, and then I have a magnifier. And the clarity on these mirrors is beyond, my friends. And the lighting, at first, when I first tried it, I was like, whoo, this is bright. But you get used to it and you adjust to it, but you can turn it down if you want or turn it up. I love it. It's an absolute must for makeup application. It's an absolute must for tweezing the eyebrows. It's just amazing, the clarity and the lights that come with this mirror. So I absolutely love the Skinny. I loved it so much. We are going to be going on vacation in February. We're going to go with my brother and my niece and my nephews on a cruise. And I got the carrying case for it. And also it comes with the charger. But this here is really neat because it suctions onto a mirror. And then I could just put my Ricky Skinny right on the attachment and have it right on the mirror. So I don't have to look how to stand it up, even though the Ricky comes with its own stand. And it's very, very good. It's just amazing. I absolutely cannot say enough about these mirrors. They are an investment, and I do have a code for them, and the code will be underneath. It's always underneath my videos. So take advantage. I think the code is actually, it's for 15% off. 15? I think it's 15. I'm not sure how much it is, to be honest with you. But just absolutely, and I'm so excited about this because I don't want the mirror to break at all. And this is really a nice sturdy case. And it has a little handle and it just zips. And it's not really big, so it'll go in the suitcase. And they're not heavy, so they don't add a lot of weight. So just love them. I also have the Grace, which is just, it's fabulous. Again, I won't turn it towards you, but this one has 3 different levels of lighting. You can go up to 3, and this one is a magnifier, and just fabulous. And it has its own stand, or you can hang on to it. It has the little ring things on the side here. These pop out, and you can just hold it in your hand. This does come off of this as well. So you can hold just the mirror, and it just snaps back into place, and it twists, and it's right back. It's so easy to use. You can just hang on to it like this. I absolutely love these. I can't say enough about them. I have the little one for my handbag, and this one here, you just push the back, and the light goes on. And again, you can be out and just do your lipstick, or you can see if you got like something going up your nose or something in your teeth. The lighting is perfect, and again, has the little hand things. Can't say enough about them. I love them, love them, love them. The last one I have, I showed in, I think, one of my favorites. This one here is the Ricky Colorful, but this is genius. I can't wait. When we go on our trip in February, I don't want to bring all my makeup with me, so this one allows me to put my shadows, a blush maybe, something that I would use for the week, and you can turn it around. It also lights up, and then there I am. I just love it. And it's so easy. You just tap the top and the lights come on, 3 different levels, turn it around, and you just have the light this way. And again, it comes with its own little case. and I just love it. Absolutely love it. It is a tight fitting case because you don't want it sliding all over, and it just slides on and it protects the mirror and keeps everything in place. It's not going to open up. It comes with its own charging unit. So I absolutely love the Ricky Skitty, the Ricky Cutie, the Ricky Colorful, and the Ricky Graceful. Once I tried them, there was no going back for me. It's amazing how well, it's just amazing the clarity of the mirror itself and the magnifier and then the lights to top it off. It's just amazing to me. So I truly, I just love them, absolutely love them. So if it's something, put it on your Christmas list, whatever. But like I said, I do have a link below for you with a code to get a percentage off. So take advantage of that as well. All right, my friends, so that's it for this video. Comment below, are you using the Ricky? Do you love the light system, the clarity of it? Which one did you get? Do you have more than one? Are you crazy like me? The travel case, I just think that's just perfect for me because I can't ever get ready or feel good when I'm on vacation because the lighting is always horrible and the mirrors are terrible, everything. So I always feel like, ugh, when I'm on vacation. Now I can put my makeup on as nice as I want. I just really, I'm excited to go away this time. All right, my friends, that's it for me. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you as an ageless beauty. So subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all the videos that I am putting out. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. BISOUS.